Hi everyone, right next to me is the D5C interactive flat panel display from Hikvision, an ultimate tool for smarter offices and classrooms. The built-in whiteboard is the most common used tool in educational settings. It offers writing, drawing and editing features. Let's dive in some basic teaching tools. First, open the button manual to access all writing and drawing tools. Start with writing, choose the basic brush, and you notice that the lines are the same thickness. Switch to the calligraphy brush for lines that vary in thickness, based on the writing speed, creating beautiful strokes. For quicker annotations, you've got a two-color pen mode. Just tap the red for the tip and blue for the till, allowing you to write in one color and annotate in another, eliminating the hassle of frequent color switches. Next up, the selection tool. Highlight the content you need. Whether you're zooming in or out, no pixel will be lost. You can also change the color of selected content and lock a group of elements to prevent accidental edits. Erasing is simple. Use the palm for small areas or adjust the erase size for precise control. For larger areas, stick with the selection tool and swipe to delete quickly. Of course, there's a one-click tool for swiftly removing all the content. If you go into drawing flat shapes, open the ruler tool. It includes a triangle, a ruler, a compass and a projector. With these tools, you can draw lines of specific lengths and angles, as well as circles. Say goodbye to the traditional physical rulers. For more complex 3D shapes, the built-in library has covered you. From cylinders to cones and globes, you can draw them all with a single stroke. Plus, you can change their colors anytime. By integrating various writing and drawing functions, the whiteboard consumes less energy, replacing traditional blackboards and projector slides, while boosting classroom efficiency. And that wraps up our overview of whiteboard basic teaching functions. Thank you for watching. See you next time.